everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Today I am so thrilled to share with you my latest project, and this is another junk journal. I call this Wildflower Whispers. I assembled the signatures of this journal months ago, but I was unsure about the cover design, so I set it aside. And now that it's finally complete, I hope you'll stay and enjoy the flip through with me. I call this journal Wildflower Whispers because the inside pages are filled with the designs from my Like Wildflowers digital kit and my botanical junk journaling cards printable. They are both available in my Etsy shop, Nelda's Crafts, if you are interested in getting those printable. And there are many inspirational and motivational quotes, very positive quotes inside as well. So that is why I call this Wildflower Whispers. This journal measures 9.5 by 6.5 inches, and the cover is from this beautiful fabric. It's a floral fabric offering a touch of nature's elegance. And the spine is covered with cream lace, and the edges are stitched for a refined finish. And for the closure, I used a set of cord trims tied in a bow, and I added this detachable vintage leaf brooch, and I find it's really beautiful. This journal houses approximately 72 pages, including a mix of coffee stained papers, vintage book pages, and the Like Wildflowers digital kit and the botanical prints. Pages are adorned with motivational quotes about life and wildflowers, and I really love the positivity inside this journal. Each page is embellished with trims or lace, ensuring that no two pages are alike, and there are tucks and pockets that house the tags and ephemera, so there's lots to see in here. And I included a variety of genuine, vintage, and replica ephemera. And then for the signatures, we have two signatures. And what I did first was to run it through my sewing machine, and then I secured it using the 5 stitch pamphlet stitch. So the signatures are not going anywhere. I really liked how this journal turned out. And this is not just a notebook, it is a place to collect your thoughts or dreams and reflections. And admire the beauty of nature, like wildflowers. So it is ideal for everyday journaling or even for gratitude journaling. This is perfect. Okay, so I will continue with the flip through and just play some music, and I'll be back before the end of this video. back, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me in exploring the Wildflower Whispers Junk Journal. This is now available in my Etsy shop if you're interested. Also, the digital kit like Wildflowers and the botanical junk journaling cards that I used here are in my Etsy shop, and I will provide the links in my description. So, thanks again so much for your support. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like. Also, I hope that you join my YouTube family. Please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell as well for more creative journal ideas and updates. I'll be back very soon to do a short tutorial on how to create a folio, and I will use my 4th of July digital kit. So I'll see you then. Take care, everyone, and happy journaling, happy crafting. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.